Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, week 4, which is our last video of the collab. It's all about fall, y'all. Thank you so much, Kat, for hosting this collab. It has been amazing. And don't forget, everyone, to go check out all the lovely ladies and see what they created with it. This is an IC card this week, and so I did my, y'all, if you've been here a while, I'm doing the 1x1. So I did 1x1s in the back, did a bunch of sewing, and then just layered the same aspects on it, and it's so cute. And then the back looks like this, and I kind of sewed this over all the sewing that I did on the actual card, and there's like leaves. I'm gonna bring it a little closer, is the sewing. So don't forget to check out all the other lovely ladies and see what they created for this collab. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye guys.
Let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do.